Chief Minister says all-party team will meet Prime Minister and Home Minister on 3 bills after fixing an appointment. Students take out ILP rally in Pangai. JSC of Tarini Devi calls for indefinite ban on Uripok Kangchup from 5 a.m. tomorrow. 48-hour ban of JSC against anti-tribal bills hit live in hill districts of the state. And Impact News, Lekkaigi Wakat compels Works Minister and local MLA to see the condition of road in Iroisemba. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butchi Malambam with the top stories. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, much to the disappointment of the people of Manipur, today stated that the team of all political party is awaiting for an appointment with the Indian Prime Minister and Union Home Minister to discuss the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly to protect the indigenous people of Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines of the 58th Foundation Day of Cultural Forum, Manipur, held at Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium, Chief Minister was optimistic that the differences that exist among the communities living in the state regarding the bills will be sorted out soon through dialogue. Mention may be made that the team of all political party was supposed to leave Imphal yesterday to meet central leaders on the 3 bills in Delhi.
Honorable Prime Minister ki Home Minister ki appointment sikto he. Adu moin hek harak paga mayam pulap chatna na ba haina. Maina koi ngaire leibne. Yena roida koi famina raga adum gyan tamina ni ne soina ki yena ba leiro.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today observed that the younger generations has shed away from the Manipuri literature, and it's now time to help them read and understand Manipuri literature. Speaking on the occasion of the 58th Foundation Day of Cultural Forum, Manipur held at Chandrakirti Auditorium, the Chief Minister said close relationship between the hills and the valley has clear implications in the art and culture of Manipur. He said the art and culture preserved and promoted by the prior generations makes the younger generations proud today. The dedication of many writers has helped Manipuri literature progress substantially. Okram Ibobi also stated that the government has started considering the long-pending demands of the forum in discussion with Commissioner Art and Culture, and the government will soon announce its stand on the matters raised by the forum. Selected persons associated with art and culture were felicitated and homage paid to led pioneers of art and culture of the state at the event.
Samajbu himai chumnanaba akhoi society sibu afaba maikaida lamjing binaba aduga akhoi kala sanskriti thambiramiba ahalaman sing mayam ngasigi forum gi leibiriba member sing mayam singsina thambiram gaduriba akhoi gi culture akhoi gi chanabi akhoi gi tradition masidaida pibiram gaduriba mayam sing asi akhoina paisana ju leiba phangaroi doba tungi generation kaya dasu sahiत्य की पुकई कला की पुकई हाइबतारे मशीन लाइरिबा मयाम सिंगसी अमिरमिबा पुकई सिममन नाइद्रबा अखोइगी लन्नी.
A large number of students today took out a rally in Pangai demanding inner line permit system in the state to protect the indigenous people. Students of about 10 schools situated in Pangai participated in the protest rally, which took out from 100 Flowers Higher Secondary School this afternoon around 2 p.m. Shops and markets in Pangai remained closed due to the rally. Tracy Thokchom of R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya said the 3 bills passed by the Assembly last year are yet to get the President's assent, and the delay indicates that the centre does not wish to protect the indigenous people of Manipur. She also expressed dissatisfaction at the silence maintained by the state government. The students also chanted slogans like implement ILP in Manipur, convert the 3 bills into an act, protect indigenous people, long live Manipur, etc.
Ngasi changjaliba khongjang ase Manipur government फजना उबम थोकपने मखोय तुमिना लेसनबम थोकते मखोयजो इमा लेबांग मसा अमने कांगलै पासिगी मसा मोयरगा यलौमी मयाम जे कन्नबा मखोयने हेना थौना लेना लमजिंगदुना होनागदमने तुमिना लेथोगा दिल्लीदा चली तानरी असेंबलीदा पास तौ दोरे खोतरे हायरगा लेबै महुता सासा एक तो ओंथोगा अकनबा प्रेशर पिसलगा सद मणिपुर असिबु को तुंगी यलौमी कन्नबा होना बिबाय बजे अखोयगी छात्र सिंगी अमसों इरमदा मणिपुर असिगी पपाम
Residents today blocked many areas along the National Highway 37 and staged sit-ins in support of JCLPS movement, demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state. Protesters blocked roads and burnt tires in many locations. Under Chingmairong Apun Balup, residents blocked Chingmairong Khongnang Ani Karak, Chingmairong Mamang Laikai, Maning Laikai and Sangakpam and held sit-ins. Residents of Mantripukri Bazaar also blocked the market area and staged sit-in. Luang Sangwam Apun Banupi Loop organized protest at Luang Sangwam. Protesters also staged sit-in at Kwerengai, Nilakuthi, Kongampat, Mantri Lekai, Faidinga Bazaar, Tendong Yang, Maharabi and Sekmai Bazaar. In Kurkul Apun Banupi, Chowkat Loop and Kurkul Students Wing organized sit-ins. They burned tires on road blocking vehicular traffic. On the other hand, angry residents of Nilakuthi damaged a vehicle for defying band in the area. JCLPS Women's Wing today stormed the office of the DC Imphal West shouting slogans. They also threatened to stop the IMC election on June 2 in case the names of non-locals are not removed from the voter list immediately. A team of state police stopped the volunteers of JCLPS Women's Wing. Addressing media persons, JCLPS Women's Wing convener T.H. Apabi said they came to check whether there was name of any non-locals in voter list despite their appeal 15 days back.
ngasi tawrisi thawdok sima ta ngasi tawrise akhoi na mamam da law thokre ba sida exhibition drive cha thagre ba ko voter list ki mitop lok thok piu mitop na bole fan bi kanu ha da hana law drive cha thagre ba adu ngasi thama khai ma phar baw da ngasi baw manung da dc ki site ki kari gum ba ma ta baw ba voter list mitop thu ma chi leng tri ba adu na manu ka ngasi ki drive cha thari ben law thok hai bi di man ya khoi na to voter list ki mitop to law thok hai bi di man ni heng law thok tri ba ba khoi huji Imphal municipal ki bot
JSC against the brutal assault of Taurangban Ongbi Tarini Devi has called for an indefinite ban on Uripok Kangchup from 5 a.m. tomorrow. It may be recalled that Taurangban Ongbi Tarini was assaulted by state police personnel during JCLPS Women's Wing Maira rally on May 8. She underwent fast unto death, demanding punishment to the police personnel involved. Addressing media persons at Uripok Sorbon Thingel Lekai Community Hall, JSC Women's Wing convener Thongam Ongbi Sunita said they have already submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, DGP and Uripok MLA demanding appropriate punishment to the accused police personnel. She threatened that they will intensify their agitation in case they are not punished soon. JSC informed that students, religious ceremonies, medical cases and other essential services will be exempted from the ban.
Uripok Kangchup ke hayang pung manga dagi matam kaktana tawjagadori ban asida aphapata thokpa puna daita puna mak sarkarna pubigadani maramdi akhoina tawjariba khudimak che sarkarna response amata pibirak tabadagini amasung tungda nupi khunaida sigumba thodok thoibaje amu hanna thoklaktanana bagi damakta tawjabani sarkarna asida action lokhat piraktraba maran leriba culprit asibu puthoktuna dandi pidraba chairak pibidragadi akhoi akanba khongjang oina khoi gi hojik tawgadaba council gi vote puna mak khoi thingjan jagani Uripoki oina.
JCLPS convener Khomdram Ratan warned that there will be another June 18-like uprising if the state government does not try to convert the 3 ILP bills into an act. Speaking to media persons at JCLPS office at Konjang Hazari Lekai, Segarot Ratan said the government is giving more importance to the Imphal Municipal Corporation election than the ILP bills. He alleged that the representatives of all political parties have cancelled the plan to visit Delhi to demand centre's assent to the 3 bills. He insisted that the bills are for the welfare of the people, both the hills and valley, and government should work to fulfill people's wishes.
Labour municipal election is maru. Akoi Delhi sapana taga akoi taksalu bagi post dagi moi ticket pi bagi nomination pile bagi bol khom bagi pote na changba oina miyam su u phangedare. Masi ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯌꯦꯂꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯦꯂꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯌꯦꯂꯣꯃꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯊꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯃ ꯕꯦꯁꯦꯠ ꯅꯦꯁꯦꯁ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯌꯦꯂꯣꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Lok Jan Shakti Party Manipur State Unit expressed a shock over the assault of Tarangwam Tarini by state police on May 7 during the ILP agitation. The party in a press release also condemned the silence maintained by Uripok MLA and state government on the fast unto death protest of Tarini. Illegal encroachments on footpaths of main roads in Imphal were removed by a team of police personnel today. Under the direction of Works Minister Kethrumin Biren, the encroachers were forced to remove piles of timber from the eastern side of Minuthong near the crematorium of Imphal Municipal Corporation. Police personnel also seized some of them. Eviction of illegal encroachment on main roads will continue as the government has already decided to remove the illegal structures on the roadsides to ease the traffic congestion in Imphal city. Till the last day for filing of nomination for Imphal Municipal Corporation election, 89 candidates of councillors and 149 candidates of members have filed their nominations. Of the 27 wards, 20 wards are in Imphal West and 7 wards are in Imphal East. In Imphal West, candidates filed their nominations to returning officer and 2 assistant returning officers at DC office Imphal West. In Imphal East, candidates filed their nominations at the office of subdivisional officer. Till the last day, 57 have filed nomination for councillor and 127 for members in Imphal West, while 32 for councillors and 22 for members in Imphal East. Life was paralyzed in tribal inhabited areas of the state during the 48-hour Bandh called by JC against the 3 bills. In Chandel district, since early morning, Bandh supporters blocked the Imphal More Road in Lamkang, Kunau and at Liwa Changning in Chandel district headquarters, prohibiting movement of private vehicles. Vehicular movement along the Imphal More section of National Highway 102 and Chandel district headquarters road came to a grinding halt due to the total shutdown. All shops and other economic establishments downed the shutters. Educational institutions and banks also remained closed. On the other hand, government officers recorded low attendance. Work at the Jiri Tupul Railways project came to a halt due to the Bandh. Imphal Jirubam and Imphal Tamanglong roads wore a deserted look and Bandh supporters used catapults to scare off the passers-by. They also burned tires on roads. Educational institutions, shops and commercial establishments were closed in Jirubam and Tamanglong. At Khongsang, Bandh supporters snatched the keys from vehicles. All types of vehicles, including local services, were off the roads in Tamanglong district. The Bandh also paralyzed life in Ukhrul district. It may be mentioned that the JC against anti-tribal bills imposed 48-hour total shutdown in tribal areas of the state since midnight of May 16 in protest against the decision of the all political party meeting to send a team to New Delhi to pressurize the centre to give assent to the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly on August 31. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piva car Sigi features Sindi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalising mga khatana book Tawbiharo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchanggi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna yengjagan ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Welcome back. In a significant turn of events, Impact News eye-opening weekly program, Lekaigi Wakat has compelled the authorities to inspect and begin repair work on Uripok Kangchup Road, following the Lekaigi Wakat episode on the 13th of this month, which showed the inconveniences faced by the people of Iroishemba. Works Minister K.S.S. Biren and Uripok MLA L. Nandakumar inspected the Iroishemba, Mamang and Mayai Lekai Road on the Uripok Kangchup Road this morning, following which the PWD sent a JCB, dipper and a road roller, and repair work began around 9:30 this morning. Speaking to Impact News, Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward Number 27 member Akoizam Manglim said 7 truckloads of sand and stones were dropped on the said road to fix the potholes earlier, and he appreciated Impact News for taking this initiative and appealed to continue the same.
Soklab jaga si yengbidana moi ani ni puni yengbiramdagi balu singan pubiraktana adai lolar mayama pubiraktana masigi khudakta semjan biba asigi damakta akoi gi local MLA Paung Nandakumar amadi akoi gi hauji work minister Biren bu akoi gi maikai degi hana akoi nungai bo phongdok chari asina taba to pada lairiba polhon sing asi mention bigani hana su khanjai dre lairaktabana maram oraga hairiba lambi thong si phalaktabani hana akoi lekai gi maikai degi haijaningi aduna yamna thuba matamda drain sima su akoi seman jiningi impact ki irai khudingi nungthin gi nungdawaram pung 3 ta santok piriba lekai gi wakat hairiba program asi hana matung tana adumak santok piu masi akoi wakhanda akoi gi praja gi wakhanda akoi yamna kanai haiba madumaso akoi thamjage akoi gi saitagi.
4 persons accused of corruption and drug trafficking by outlawed KCP MJC today refuted the charges against them. The allegations appeared in local dailies today. Lorembam Rame from Kiamgai Surokhaibam Achau, senior assistant in MU, and his wife, and Kuraijam Abecha from Langthabal Mantrikong Mayalekai were accused by KCP MJC of trafficking drugs and misappropriation of fund in Manipur University. Speaking at a press meet, Surokhaibam Achau refuted the charges leveled against them and urged the outfit to clarify exactly when and how they swindled the fund. Though the outfit asked them to come to an amicable solution within 3 days, on April 28, any means of contact was given to them. Achau also added that if they were in any way found involved in drug trafficking, they are ready to accept any punishment given by the people. Mention may be made that KCP MJC had already claimed its hand in planting a bomb near a shop run by Lorembam Rame on May 15.
KCP MJC gi sinanaw singda akoibu anti social oiba drug ka mari lena wafam ama thangbi ko se leibak ngang na sinba minen khalla goi mayam mamda putho khongoi naraga ai adum hatok biu ai kesu kaide asida aki bu kesu leiti sinanaw singda haijaning budi kana gum marumda kaigumba mi khara thaki thawin sinda heta anghaida haibududi isan suya yajaninde akoina kaigumba soikiba lankiba yawraga su sinanaw singna ngapiu aranba dragadi miyama mangda sinanaw singna akoibu nungsibiduna sentokpiu asi.
Manipur State Commission for Protection of Right and Manipur Legal Services Authority organized a training on Child Labour Act, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, Juvenile Justice Act and Right to Education at Thoubal Court Complex yesterday. The program was organized under National Commission for Protection of Child Right (NCPCR). Speaking at the event, Justice N. Koteshwar emphasized the need to make everyone understand the fundamental rights and duties guaranteed by the Constitution of India. A bomb exploded on no man's land towards border pillar number 79. The bomb exploded in an area 10 meters from the Angla Premeshwari Tamil temple border pillar number 78 this morning around 11:15. 11 Assam Rifles CO AP Manoj, additional SP More M Mubi Singh, SGPO Sadananda and commando team rushed to the spot. No one was injured in the blast. It may be mentioned that the area is frequently patrolled by Assam Rifles personnel. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast. An IED exploded at Reliable Cargo Movement RCM private transport office near Thangal Bazar, Khuyathong this morning around 4:15. The blast damaged the shutter and the window glasses of RCM transport office and nearby buildings. Health Care Center, a fitness center located opposite the RCM building, also suffered damages due to the explosion. There was no report of human casualty. Reacting to the blast, Athokpam Ongbi Leibak Lotpi, a client of Health Care Center, condemned the blast at public place. She appealed to all not to repeat such act in future.
mayamji pulap lairing eda acha thak pore ena acha thak jaraga lairi ngai sida dang haiba makholam tai kadom danon hene yeng kan da ek phami ji gi opposite sida maikhu karaga wangna paikhalla pokhairi ba makhon jiga maikhu jiga na maning thangba transformer makhong manak sigi maikhu di ka khala mafam sida lairi ba singje miyam duna laira badi mi cha ngati la abanina maikai asom da su sak jan ba ju yawi ado aso apan nangani adon pajama oina yaraga di miyam tinba mafam da bom pokhai ba je tawhan bi wanu kari maranggi bom pokhai bano haibado makoina athuba matamda chengdok biro miyam chokadaba miyam gi damakta khanbiraga di asigumba thaba ase tawhan janing de.
Coordinating body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee has postponed the mass rally scheduled for the 22nd of this month. Speaking at a press meet held at the committee's office at Uripok Hawam Dewalekai, the committee's convener Mutum Churamani said the demand for inclusion of Meiteis in the Scheduled Tribe list is an attempt to create united Manipur and to get protection for the Meiteis like other similar indigenous people of the Northeast. He said the committee has decided to postpone the rally considering the prevailing situation due to the ILP steer. The committee, however, will organize a meeting at Iboyama Shumanglia Sanglen Palace compound on the day and appeal to all concerned not to call for band and blockade on the day.
Miyamgi oiba khongchasi chatsi haina thorang tawragasu halaman singsina leiriba manipurda inner line permit ki sing amadi tamda charang nariba masina maram oirakanda ekoi matam khara yaithoksi tang 22 sideida miyamgi oiba public meeting ama halaman singna 2012 tagi mafam chatana unaruba thawai yaubiba halaman sing adu marum apang sing loina coordinating body na mateng panga akanda koina meeting mafam khudingi chatlaga Sinajaruba, Wari Sanajaruba Mayam se, Masiga Tanarakanda, Makataba, Hojik Changjaliba Kongjang se, Masidagi Hena Kanba Kari Changshan Sige Haiba, Miang Yoiba, Mot Lonanaba, Akoi Hariba, Tangpunito is Sinjabani.
Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing World Hypertension Day today. The day was observed on the theme Know Your Number at Jennings Auditorium by Manipur Heart Care Society. World Hypertension Day is observed every year on May 17 to create public awareness about hypertension, its preventive measures and complications, and distribute the message of maintenance of normal blood pressure among the common people. High blood pressure causes various complications in the body and may lead to the major risk of heart stroke, kidney disease, eye disorder, coma, or even death. As part of the observance workshop on how to do it, measuring BP by automatic machine and know something basic about ECG was held for the community leaders, interns and junior residents. Community leaders from Ukhrul, Chandel, Senapati and Imphal were distributed BP instruments to encourage them identify high BP patients in their communities and create more awareness. The event was attended by members of Manipur Heart Care Society, staff and students of Jennings. Addressing the gathering, Jennings Director Professor L. Deben stated that by doing regular exercise and leading healthy lifestyle, one can prevent the deadly disease.
Aduna sai silent killer haidana haksang ga karisu man horkon tan lagi fau da banina ngai ta tau da banina yui punumak na si neglect tong nei blood pressure se kamai tong da on gani aduga masigi report se kana de pigani haibe se makoisu aware matum oile food dam sabi ba fiber dam sabi ba aduga loina na no da pung ama dagi ani minimum 30 minutes exercise to ba namaga pung ani hok to ke sukai de 5 to 7 sana ke sukai de any type of exercise swimming oiro weight lifting oiro jogging oiro yoga oiro any type of exercise to ba aduga di koi blood pressure gi habiti maintain to na leibung ngani haina sa.
Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Trade Unions Council, AMTUK, and All Manipur Government Employees Organization, AMGO, today observed the 6th Black Day at their office at Baupura. Speaking as a resource person at the event, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram opined that the people, especially the workers, are facing lots of hardship because government, not only in Manipur but also in every part of the country, only knows how to command. He said the salary is given to government employees for doing public service, but general public feel apprehensive and insecure to enter government offices. Dr. Dhanabir Laishram also appealed to the government employees to not only work for salary but go extra mile for the welfare of the public. Mention may be made that JSC of Amtuk and Amjo observes May 17 as Black Day in remembrance of harassment and torture of 69 government employees for pressing their legitimate demands in May 17, 2010.
India is quite a satin development of administration and the administration of development. Development में हमसे तो होना भी administration develop तो होते हैं administration जब तक develop तो हम से ना करना थमक को मतलब news की ईरान से यदि कोई को officer अमत ना लेकिन आप मतलब दा human relationship approach ता लेकिन आती है हाई बदी से ऐसे director ने बा ऐ खाद ले बा क्लाक में पुंग ड्रामा तो हम खाई तार लायो कौशल लगा वार ता हम दा explanation call तो लोग तो ठीक नहीं मालूम देव अदु दी माना कोई सिबु माना मागे subordinate staff सु माना matching नि part हम दोनों खाले यामना मरुई बा loop नि ना याम मरुई बा थोसिल थोरांग में हम तो बिरगा मणिपुर मियाम दा administration जी एक चौकल में खाना development में बहुत ज़्यादा बने से खालगा कुमांग सक्शन ना संग दो पीना बोइश नु खंजगे
Sekmaijin Popular Club in a press note appealed to authority concerned to fulfill all the requirements of the Sekmaijin Junior High School. The people of Samurao and Thaunogzam Khul have called for an indefinite ban on Mayalambi Road to protest the brutal murder of Moirang Mayum Chauba, 60, from Samurao, Awanglekai on the 15th of this month. It may be mentioned that JSC formed against the murder of Chauba submitted a memorandum to the police department demanding arrest of the culprits before 3 p.m. today. Chauba went missing after he left home on the morning of May 12. Police had already picked up 5 suspects in the case. The JSC also staged protest demanding arrest of the culprits. Placards that read "Punish the culprits" and "We condemn the brutal killing of Chauba" were displayed at the protest. Students, media, religious functions and other essential services will be relaxed during the ban.
Mana ahanba satkibasi khoi sapamgi Joy Singh hariba nupasi magi farm isitkani haidana satkibani magi farm da hing sulelakpa yai hai magi farm dagi thokhraka mafam khangdabani number 1 ma khoina mangoda singna baidi natte aduga magi da sakhibani na khoi khun laikai na mangoda kitang warubagi ni aduga ani subada namairakam Gopi Mohan mahaki masa sing magi khongloi khara masi singna ba khara yawi hariba mioi singsi police na phakat pada yawi ngarang basang maming di police na tak thorokte aduna phabadi makhoi phabani aduna hariba mioi singsi government ke side gi makhoi se mihat pani ad makhoi ji mihat panate haibadu sangthok piraktragadi akhoi makha ta khongthang changsagini aduga asibi masa khoi postmortem tawba natragana asibi masa poloi bagi wafam khoi lejadri.
Banned outfit Maoist Communist Party Manipur declared the honor of Heritage Convent Uripok as class enemy for insulting poor students and neglecting the outfit's dictate. Secretary Publicity and Propaganda Comrade Nonglen Maitei in a press release said the party will however not put any sort of ban or prohibition on the students of the school. The press release also warned the owner of the school to accept his mistakes and come to an understanding for a peaceful academic atmosphere. Now in sports, in the league matches of the 6th Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship A Division played today. Hockey Odisha beat Hockey Patiala 2-1. Host Manipur Hockey beat Uttar Pradesh Hockey 4-3 to enter the semi-final. In other league matches, Hockey Chandigarh thrashed Hockey Haryana 13-0. Hockey Punjab beat Unit of Tamil Nadu 5-2. 16 teams are competing in the tournament. The first state-level mini boys volleyball tournament organized by Nambol Youth Volleyball Association kicked off at Naurem Junior High School ground yesterday. In the 9th league match played today, NYVA Naurem Team A beat YVA Ngairangbam 25-20, 25-7, while KYVA Khoizuman beat SYDA Mutum Fibau 28-26, 25-22 in the 10th league match. Mekhya Mayang Imphal Bet NYVA Naurem Team B 25-22, 25-13 in the 11th league match. In the 12th league match, YPC Isok Bet NYDC Khaidem 20-25, 29-27, 15-13, and in the 13th league, ALYPU Patsoy thrashed YPC Bengun 25-0, 25-0. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister says all party team will meet Prime Minister and Home Minister on 3 bills after fixing an appointment. Students take out ILP rally in Pangai. JC of Tarini Devi calls for indefinite ban on Uripok Kangchup Road from 5 a.m. tomorrow. 48-hour ban of JC against anti-tribal bills hit live in hill districts of the state. And Impact News Nekaigi Wakat compels Works Minister and local MLA to see the condition of a road in Iroisemba.